simply because it was created by Z3x team, who's been around during the last 14 years. This is a powerful tool intended for all MediaTek-based devices on the market, developed according to the latest demands and built to last.